this is Chase Montagna over at Fasteners Plus. I'm one of the product experts here. Today we're going to be talking about these concrete screws, often compared to Tapcons, one of the most popular common masonry solutions on the market. Now, the nice thing about these screws is that they work in both brick, block, and typical concrete. These concrete screws are going to be used in a variety of applications. You'll see electrical boxes, furring strips, and door frames. They have a special serrated thread that goes directly into concrete when pre-drilled. You also get a flat and a hex head option for a cleaner finish. Now, you're going to have two different types of finishes when looking at these concrete screws. You're going to have the blue steel right here. This is good for both interior and exterior. You're also going to get a 410 stainless option, which is also great for both applications, just gives you a little bit more corrosion resistance. So both of these screws are going to come in a ceramic coated finish. Both are corrosion resistance, one in blue and one in silver. Now, installation is simple. These are going to include a drill bit to use to pre-drill. After that, you're going to want to make sure that you clean out the hole. And then after you clean out the hole, you're going to use an impact driver to install. And it is just as simple as that. Because these are removable and easy to install, this is a great option for everyday masonry applications. Make sure to get your concrete screws at Fasteners Plus.